So the question that you have now is the following. You're being asked to simplify 8v squared x to the fifth plus 20v cubed w to the sixth. Now, what is really cool about this is they both, yes, there's two terms in on the top. And no, we can't add them together because this one has an x and this one has a w. It's like they have different bases to them, okay? But what's great is they share a base. And so really, if we want to picture this in a simpler way, all we do is we just break this up. This is actually equivalent to 8v squared x to the fifth divided by 4v to the fourth. All right, plus 20b cubed w to the sixth divided by 4v to the fourth. All right, now I'll remind you, and you probably know this already, but if you have something like this, x divided by x, what does that equal? X is a variable. It can be various numbers. This could be 1 divided by 1. This could be 739 divided by 739. And can you tell me what that equals? That equals 1. These are all equal. They all equal 1 because the thing about dividing the same thing by the same thing is it's just a factor of 1. This is just 1. Okay? So with that in mind, let's see how many 1s we can find inside of each of these. Now, if you are wanting to go faster, this may not be the fastest way, but this will help you kind of see. And you can just divide 8 by 4 here. You can see, well, that's equal to 4 goes into that once and into that twice. And you'd cancel that 4, leave it 2. But here's what it really would look like behind the scenes. You got 8 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. Then we have a v squared, which is v times v. Then we have, since there's no x to the fifth, we know there's no x to the x on the bottom, we're just going to leave x to the fifth unfactorized. So we'll just have these here. We know the common terms here are some numbers and some v terms, okay? And on the bottom we have 2 times 2. We also have v times v times v times v. How many 1s can we find? Well, here's a 1. Here's a 1. Got to keep that 2. Here's another 1. Here's another 1. Haha! Wow. We just got rid of a whole bunch. Because this is literally just equal to 1. 1, 1, 1, and 1. And so what we're left with is in this first term here, is 2 times x to the fifth divided by v times v, which is just v squared. Beautiful. Now, in this other term, what do we have? Okay, this will eventually be equal, but let's take a look here. So 4, let's factorize this. We have 2 times 2 times 5. Those are the prime factors of 20, right? 2 times 2 is 4, times 5 is 20. That's in the top. And then we have a v and a v and a v because we have v cubed. We have 3 v's here, okay? Being multiplied by each other. And then since we know there's no w term in the bottom, we'll just leave that unfactorized. We'll leave that like w to the sixth. Divide this by 4, which is prime. If we factorize this into its prime factors, we got 2 times 2, as we know from here. And we got v times v times v times v. And now let's do the same thing. How many 1s can we find in this equation? And right off the bat, got that one and that one. These are both equal to 1, right? 2 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2 being multiplied by all this. It's just 1 being multiplied by all this. We also got a 1 here, 1 here, and a 1 here. We're left with 1 extra v on the bottom there, a 5 on the top, and a w to the 6th on the top. So what does this equal? This will be equal to, for the second part here, we got 5 times w to the 6th divided by v. And that there should be what they're asking for. I'm not 100% sure if that's what they're asking for. You let me know, okay? Let me know if you want it simpler or not.